equation in standard form. So we are going to be learning this formula right here. It's called the quadratic formula. The way you say it is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. There's this whole Pop Goes the Weasel song that goes with it, because it's all over 2a. That will help you remember it, but we're always going to give you the formula. So today, in this first part, we're just going to practice plugging into the formula. So it's very similar to doing factoring the snowflake. We want to make sure it equals 0. So if I have this x squared plus 14x plus 22 equals negative 27, I need it to equal 0. And so I want to get rid of this 27 right here. I want to zero it out to make it 0. But in order to do that, I need to add 27. So that will get rid of this. Now, this 27 does not have an x squared, so I'm not going to add it here. It does not have an x like the 14 does, so I am not going to add it here. But I am going to add it to the c value right here. So plus 27, and that zeroes it out. So we're going to add 27, and I get x squared plus 14x plus 49 now equals 0. So now, just like the snowflake, we're going to find our a, b, and c. So our a is the number in front of x squared. So remember, ax squared, 1x squared. So your a is 1. So I'm going to put a 1 right here. B is the number in front of x. And if I look here, the number in front of x is positive 14. So my b is positive 14. And then my c value is the constant that is all by itself before the equal sign, and it is positive 49. So I'm going to put 49 here. And all we're going to do is we're going to fill in this formula. So again, you get to look at it, you get to use it. So we're going to plug it in. So we have a b right here, and I look here and we have a b. So we're going to put a b here. We're going to put that 14. Now, anytime you write it, you have to write it in parentheses. So we're going to put parentheses 14. If I look at the next one, I have a b again squared. B is again 14. So right here, we're going to put that 14 always in parentheses. Then we're going to go to our a value. So it's minus 4. The minus 4 is always going to be there. It's part of the formula. And then we're going to put in a. So I look at a. I get a is 1. So a is going to go right here. Again, always in parentheses. Then c is last right here inside the square root. I look at c. It's a positive 49. So that's going right here in parentheses. And then the last one, we have an a on the bottom here. A is 1. So we're going to put that 1 in parentheses on the bottom. And right now, that is all I'm asking you to do.